how to create a free Zoho business email. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free Zoho business email. So to get started, go ahead and click on Mail under your Zoho account. So make sure that you're signed into your Zoho account before you can get redirected to Zoho Mail. And before you can set up your Zoho Mail, you need to verify or add a phone number to your Zoho account. So from here, select Create Organization and then click on Create. Now, to be able to create a business email, first you need to go ahead and choose the right plan for your organization. So if you're aiming for Mail only, you can go ahead and aim for Mail Lite or Mail Premium. But if you're creating it for a workplace, go ahead and select in between standard and professional. And then after that, you need to set up your users so you can add new users manually or import the CSV file for it. Set up groups, DNS mapping, email migration, go mobile, and you're all set. So you need to select the right hosting plan first before you can proceed with the next steps. But if you want to create a personal business email, you can go ahead and select personal email from the start where we actually selected choose organization. So that is how you can basically create a free business email on Zoho. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.